We were successful. The mitigation efforts flattened that curve.
Health Secretary Rachel Levine says the state shutdown is working. But data shows 2/3 of the coronavirus deaths are from nursing homes or long-term care facilities, and nearly all the fatalities are in people over 65. Was the strategy of shutting everything down instead of targeting those vulnerable populations misguided?
I don't think that our initial and our continuing plans have been misguided at all. We want to protect the entire population from COVID-19 and its serious side effects.
Pennsylvania is the only state in the nation that has not opened real estate sales. Can you explain the rationale?
Republican lawmakers continue to insist more of the economy could open up more quickly, and they're frustrated at what they call a lack of transparency in the process. How frustrated? Representative Chris Dush said the Wolf administration reminds him of this.
More and more, I go back to the German Democratic Nationalist Socialist Party, the Nazi Party.
Chairman, this is outrageous. Stop it with these Nazi references.
It's a statement
this is
of
offensive
history.
And wrong. Stop it.
It's history.
Levine wants to stay on the right side of history and says reopening too quickly is just too risky.
Then we would just go right back into that type of exponential rise, and it could even be higher than the rise we saw before.
The June 2nd primary election will still go on, and polling places will still be open, though some will be consolidated. Governor Wolf touted mail-in ballots, but said don't stress election officials by waiting to the last minute.
Providing them with as much time as possible to process your application and get your ballot in the mail is a great way to thank them for their hard work.
The health secretary said by the end of this week she hopes to have guidance for dentists who have not been able to perform routine work like cleanings. She said her team is also working on guidance for swimming pools as we approach the warm weather. At the state capitol, Dennis Owens, 18 News.